Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch robot vacuum and mop combos. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q Revo, and in the other corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q Revo comes in at $899, while the robot vacuum and mop combo is priced at $729. While both are on the higher end of the price spectrum, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers similar features at a more affordable price point. Now let's talk about the multifunctional dock. The Roborock Q Revo offers an impressive feature-packed dock with auto mop washing, hot air drying, and a 5L water tank for a max mopping range of 4,305 SQFT. It also has self-emptying capabilities, providing hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo also comes with a 230 ml electric control water tank for wet mopping on all hard floors. While it may not have all the advanced features of the Q Revo, it still offers convenient mopping capabilities. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Roborock Q Revo boasts dual spinning mops with a spinning speed of 200 RPM. It effortlessly removes stains, leaving your floors spotless every time. It also has 30 water flow levels, allowing you to fine-tune cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. The robot vacuum and mop combo, with its 1,400 pascals suction power and 2-in-1 mopping function, can quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. While it may not have the same spinning speed or water flow levels as the Q Revo, it still provides effective cleaning for your home. Next up, let's talk about obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Q Revo features reactive tech obstacle avoidance with PreciSense lidar navigation and 3D mapping technology. It can detect and avoid potential hazards with total precision, making cleanups a breeze. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo has advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance function with a full set of sensors to intelligently identify and avoid white walls, stairs, and obstacles. While both offer excellent obstacle avoidance capabilities, the Q Revo's precise mapping technology gives it a slight edge. Last but not least, let's discuss app and voice control. The Roborock Q Revo offers advanced app control through the Roborock app, allowing you to have total control over your robot vacuum. It also supports voice control through Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo can be controlled using the Tuya Smart app and is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Both options provide convenience at your fingertips, allowing you to easily schedule cleaning, change settings, and more. The Roborock Q Revo has received positive reviews for its advanced features and obstacle detection. However, some reviewers have mentioned the need for improvement in terms of build quality and privacy concerns. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo has been praised for its effective cleaning performance and ease of use. It is also a popular choice among pet owners. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to specific needs and budget. And that concludes our comparison between the Roborock Q Revo and the robot vacuum and mop combo. While the Q Revo offers advanced features and precise mapping technology, the robot vacuum and mop combo provides similar functionalities at a more affordable price. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.